tell the plan. You're the boss.
We're gonna go down. We got about 4 or 5 gobblers in this spot here, so we're just gonna tuck in, see what happens. Shoot him in the face.
That's the goal. So we'll see what happens. He's fired up though. Can you see him? Right here, right here, right here. He's a good one.
He dead, son.
Yes! Oh, that joker hammered on. Oh, wow. He come in good, man. That was sweet. That was sweet. What you thinking, Bob?
We're gonna shoot a gobbler in the face again. We're gonna go down around this way to the old road. Call it the boat ramp thing.
Okay.
So we're gonna hit that one. We're gonna start checking with the golf cart, just ease around. We'll try to strike one up. Strike him up. We're gonna just jump in the bushes, shoot him in the face when he comes by. Somewhere. We're gonna go that way, come back this way, and go down there. Hey, look, we got that one too.
I told you.
You're supposed to hold it.
Put it in like low gear.
That was low gear.
There's one right there.
Yeah.
There's another one behind him strutting. That's a bigger bird. There's 2 of them. Yeah, he was the good one. I knew it when I seen him come out.
Yeah. He was alright. That's a good 25.
I don't know what I did, man.
See, got it? Ooh, that's a good bird right there, buddy.
Woo! Nothing but a head.